The Faculty and Staff Benevolence Fund was established a few years ago when the administration recognized a need that employees may have whenever they experience extenuating circumstances such as medical expenses that are unexpected and above the policy provisions, housing repairs that were unexpected. As you well know, that our community was impacted greatly with Hurricane Florence and the flooding. So 70% of our requests that have been made were direct results of the impact to the community and to the homes of staff and faculty members. The fund is completely funded by employees of the university for employees of the university. Requests can be made up to a maximum of $2,500 per year. Obviously, the awards are based on the monies that are in the account. We have, since the inception of the fund, we have received $38,000 in requests, of which we've been able to fund approximately $19,000 in requests. So therefore, you can recognize there is a gap. Currently, we have a balance of about $600 in the account. We do have outstanding requests that we are unable to fulfill. Employees can contribute as little as $2 per pay period, and that can be done through payroll deduction. So I would encourage individuals to visit the HREO webpage. There's a link to the Benevolence Fund. Individuals can either make a contribution, or if there is a need for money, they can make a request. The requests are 100% confidential. They are vetted by a committee, but all important information or identifiable information is redacted from the request. So I would encourage you to give whatever amount you can, and it's greatly appreciated.